kind of like you have the AI Studio or Gemini.com and inserted your app right in between the user and the model. And then you can customize your UI, for example. Right?
Can you use live? Can you use the model, the advanced model that is called Gemini Live, so it has continuous voice? Instead of typing, you can talk to it and it can talk to you back?
You can actually, yeah. So like I said, I teach at FAU. That's exactly the project that we built in one of my courses. It's all using voice. And if you go to AI Studio, so let me get out here. So this little add button here, you have a few options for how you can interact with the model. It could be documents, it could be videos, it could be images, but it can also be recorded audio, right? This is what they call multimodal model. Gemini 152, they all support different types of input. This is where, kind of like somebody else was talking about the context window. That's where the size of that context window becomes important because text is one thing, is very small, but when you start loading videos, then you need to have a longer context.
So what you're telling me basically that the same thing that you are doing now, you could use with the multimodal and it will work with the voice also. You just may need to have a more powerful machine and other things like that, but...
Not even, because in this case, the application runs in the cloud, so the voice processing, interpretation, all that runs in the cloud. Your machine just needs to be able to capture the audio and send over. So you need a good connectivity, good connection, but not necessarily beefy CPU. I mean, as long as you can capture the audio and send it over, the processing of that audio is where the CPU and memory is going to take the bulk of it, but that happens on the cloud.
And you said that you did it already in FAU, or you plan to do it next semester?
Next semester, I'll be back again.
So you create a chatbot for, in this case, the application. If you want to install, say, specific boundaries and limits, you would hardcode them the way that you did for the responses, or would it be a separate place from the
You mean if you want to try to filter the input and output? Like guardrails?
Yeah.
You have to basically do in your application. One way is by inspecting what's in there. There's some frameworks that help you to add some, let's say, safety around the input as well as the output, you want the response. But in our case here, it is as is. So if you were going to do some type of prompt injection, you'd go straight out, right? I'm not doing any of that. The idea was more to demonstrate how you can build something quick and easy, actually using the model to talk to the